Good morning. Actually, it's not morning. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I had intentions of it being morning, but for some reason I slept until 2:30 today. I'm not proud of that. Try not to put on too much makeup, because I don't want to look like I hugged the clown. I'm so tired of curling my hair. Let me get my oil changed. And my car inspected. That was Dottie barking. So she's wanting me to play with her.
Dottie, come here. Watch.
She loves attention. She's really sweet too. But my car inspection has been dead for like a month, and I forgot about it. So I've got to go get that changed. And while I'm at it, I'm getting my oil changed too, because it needs changed too. I'm like 3,000 over what I'm supposed to be, according to the oil change place. So I'm gonna go get that done. And the light in my car was left on, but luckily it turned off, so my battery didn't go dead. Well, I got my oil changed and I got my inspection. It took all of like 10 minutes. Not kidding. Burritos are amazing. Really amazing. This is Ashley, my sidekick, and this is Sarah. It's like not even 7:30 really, and church has been canceled. We started, and then it started snowing.
Like one song, they got on one song, and then they were gonna do announcements. And then, oh, Pastor Lee gets a phone call. Hey guys, gotta go.
Yeah, so we get to go home now. In the snow. Whoa.
That was it in a nutshell.
Look at the cars, they're like
they're
white.
all covered. Yeah, I'll show you.
Everything's
Can I show you?
white. Here, Ashley's gonna show you.
There's snow everywhere! Here, look at this guy. And there was nothing, like not even an hour ago. It was just snowing, but there was nothing. And now there's like everything. And it's ridiculous, and I have snow in my shoes. I have snow over here. Hey, look, it's Coleman's son.
I made a little camera shot.
They stole my camera.
You said it was okay.
Oh! Are you okay?
Did you get that on video?
No, I didn't.
Trying to get home. It's snowing pretty hard. Like I can actually see tire tracks on the road. Like spots, it's really white and then it's wet in some spots. But the road I was going to go home on looks pretty bad, so I had to bypass the road where I was almost home and go around and go back in another way, because I don't think I'll make it that way. So guess what I'm doing tonight? I get to walk up my driveway again, because it's snowing again. I hate snow. I'm so ready for summer to come back. Now, you probably can't see me because I'm walking in the dark. I've got really slick shoes on, walking up my driveway. Every time I take a step, I'm sliding. I know I'm gonna fall on my face. So, that was a fun night. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.